Screwdrivers play an important part in the day-to-day work of carpenters. There are different types of screwdrivers available, so it is important to use the right type for the job given. Most screwdrivers have a thick plastic or wooden handle attached to a steel shaft with a tip at the end. This session will show you how to use a host of screwdrivers to tighten or loosen screws. After completing the session, you will be able to identify the various types of screwdrivers, use the various types of screwdrivers, observe precautions while using screwdrivers.